ये मोबाइल किसका है?
मेरा मोबाइल है।
Five people were killed and nearly 8 got injured after a speeding car crashed into 3 other cars and an ambulance on Mumbai's Bandra Worli Sea Link. The incident happened around 3 am on Wednesday. The injured, some of them in critical condition, were admitted to the nearest hospital. The CCTV footage of the accident shows an ambulance and 3 cars standing on the bridge when a high-speeding vehicle smashes into them. Several people were at the scene during the crash. Visuals show the car crashing into the ambulance and other cars parked on the side after an earlier accident. The ambulance was preparing to take the victims of the accident to a hospital when the second crash took place. According to Worli Police, primary information revealed that 2 cars were involved in a minor accident around 2:40 am on the southbound stretch of the bridge while it was coming towards Worli. As some passengers from the 2 vehicles were injured, some toll staff had rushed to help and an ambulance was also called in to take the injured to the hospital. While the ambulance staff and the toll workers were helping the injured passengers travelling by the car, another SUV crashed into the 3 stationary vehicles at high speed around 2:53 am. The high-speed crash resulted in the death of 5 people and injured 8 others, said a police officer. The SUV driver was reportedly coming at very high speed and by the time he noticed the broken down and other vehicles, it was too late. The police said that the injured were taken to Nair Hospital, Global Hospital, Saifi Hospital and Leelavati Hospital. One employee of the toll company was also injured in the incident, said the officer. The police said that a total of 4 cars were involved in the crash. Prime Minister Narendra Modi offered his condolences to the families of the victims and wished a speedy recovery to those injured. Pained by the loss of lives due to an accident on the Bandra Worli Sea Link in Mumbai, condolences to the bereaved families. I hope that all those who have been injured have a speedy recovery, the PMO office tweeted.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.